Cosmo. Hey, what are you doing? You just have to mess the interior up. You got goobers everywhere. I don't need your glitter in here. I don't have it protected yet. I just spent hours vacuuming it out. Will you get your gooby looking head out of the cabin? All right, come on. Vaja. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Detailing the i3, and as you can see, I have my interior torn apart. Well, the seats are gone. That's how I detail something. And I thought this might be the time to replace the air filter for the cabin, because in the 3 years that I've owned my i3, I've never replaced this filter. Didn't do any research online. I know it lives in the dash. That's where the HVAC is. How hard could it be? Went to Amazon, typed in BMW I3 filter. Got one here. It was $18, I think. Does not seem to be that bad of a job. Let's get started. I'm only familiar with the i3 cabin air filter being somewhere down here. I didn't really look online to specifically see where it was. It's an air filter for the cabin. How complicated can this job be? I'm going to start by, I wonder if this pops out. Is this, well, that moves. That's a good sign. I don't want to break it. Ow, okay. Well, oh, well, that was easier said than done. Maybe it is this easy. Is this an air filter? No. It's a box. It's part of the HVAC, because right here's a vent. Okay. Maybe we have to take out this panel, which appears we got 2 screws up in there, because they look pretty small. Okay, well, this is going to be kind of a challenge. How in the heck do you get up in there? Okay. Well, what the heck? Aha, there we go. Found it. Well, this is cumbersome. Okay, there's one bolt out. Does this bolt come out? It does. That's easy. Is anything else underneath here? What is this? Oh, well, that says airbag. Let's not be pulling on that. We're detached here. Well, the whole thing just pops out. Well, that was simple. Okay. Well, that was pretty simple. Fuse box. We have something. Well, there's a blower motor, it looks like. And this looks like a door to, oh, maybe right here's the filter, but what the hell? We gotta pull this carpet back, maybe? I'd be careful doing this because this is very flimsy. You might put a crease right here. I wonder what's over here. There's a screw. There's a screw. I'm not gonna go find more screws to pull that part out. We're just going to nonchalantly pull this back. Oh, okay. Well, that looks easy. And then we're gonna pull this back. What the? Okay. Well, is this? Okay, who's the engineer that designed this? What the hell? Does this come out? Okay, ouch. Well, that was simple. But I don't really have anywhere. Okay. So we're back in here. I reach all the way back in here to pull this filter out. Maybe. I'm gonna get a pair of needle nose. Well, this is a royal pain. This blower motor, this door doesn't open all the way. I'm stretching back in here to get this. Okay. Now, listen. Is it really this complicated to change a filter on a BMW? Holy crap, what am I missing? Oh my, I'm gonna lose my patience. Okay, let's reposition myself here. Well, found the filter. Yay. Well, this is convoluted as all get out. All right. And I've never replaced mine. In the 3 years that I've owned it, that looks pretty grimy. You can see a line right here of dirt. Okay, we have an arrow of which way the air flows. So I purchased mine from Amazon. The part number will be in the box, or in the comment box down below. And then we take out our filter. Why are there two? Well, I bought 2 of these thinking I bought 2 filters. But I wonder if I just bought 4 filters instead. Well, they're the same length and same width. Of course, they're on shrink wrap that nobody can ever rip open. Oops. That was my door. All right. New filter. Make sure the arrow is facing us when we put it in. Now, wait a minute. Here's the old filter right here. Here's this flap. Here's airflow. Here's the new filter. Airflow, arrow facing towards me. But this flap is on this side. I guess it wouldn't matter. I could just put it upside down. This doesn't say BMW on it. The new one doesn't say BMW. It doesn't even have any part numbers. And it looks like it's the same. Okay, it's not as dirty. Is there really? Wait a minute. Is there really another filter in this fucking box? Is there? There's one down here too. Who the hell thought this through? Now, what the hell? And then you have to... Yeah, that's smart, BMW. Let me get this straight. You have these 2 filters sitting in this box just like this, with air passing from back to the front where my thumbs are. Wouldn't air get through the filters in the middle, thereby not filtering the air? What engineer thought this situation through? Okay. Oh. And the bottom one has these little pads on it too. The top one didn't have that. It's still marked with airflow. But then you have to, like, nonchalantly put both of the bottom one in first so that it's seated correctly, and then slide the top one in. Okay, I'm gonna write the date on mine so I know that I changed them. This is going to be 04/14/23. That works. Now, make sure the arrow's facing me. We got to kind of like lean back over, lean this filter in here, and then we got to, well, this was a very asinine design, let me tell you. I'm not an engineer, but I don't even know if it's sitting down all the way. Okay. And then we get the other filter out. And we do the same thing. Yeah, see, this has got the arrows right here facing which way the air flows, but this flap is on this side. If you put this filter in with this print facing up and this flap facing inside, you might have a hell of a time pulling this filter back out. So I'm going to put mine in like this, so that this flap is on this side. 4, 14, 23. Then I know that it's been changed. I'm going to climb back down in here, and then we got to, and this door doesn't want to stay open. I'm going to lose my mind. Why won't this go in? I don't want to ruin this filter by forcing it in. Well, now that it's in, okay, and then we just, does it close? Okay, well, it's not as easy as I thought, but it's not really that complicated. And then I guess we're done. Now we just reassemble this whole thing. Well, this didn't have to come off, but maybe it did to allow some more room right here. Don't forget your styrofoam here. How does this sit back up in there? Okay. Oh. I wonder if this had to come off. Or could it just stayed on entirely? Probably could have just stayed on, because now I have to reach across the car. We're going to put that together back later. Let's see. Our plastic trim piece goes up here. And it looks as though these little things right here are what those bolts screw into. So this should just nonchalantly stay up here. Okay. Like so. Oh, maybe this did have to come off because the corner of this goes right here in that. Can I put this back in here though? Oh, and it screws in. Alright, that's it. Well, damn it. This side doesn't seem like it's sitting flush with something. What am I missing? Should it sit flush? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's sitting flush. Now I gotta find this. There we go. Well, this is like a frustrating contortionist kind of thing going on right here. I don't even know if I'm like screwing the screw in right here. Okay. Oh, well, there we go. Ooh, not too shabby. Now I need to put this stupid thing back in, which I think it just snaps into place. Ooh, does it snap? Okay. Well, that looks simple. You know, I have to think, my opinion, if the seat was installed, the passenger seat, if the passenger seat was installed, putting that air filter in might be more of a challenge. I did not know that there was two filters inside the box, and I purchased two of these. It seems kind of weird that BMW has these filters sitting in the box like this, and then the air blows from the back to the front. There's a seam right here. The air is going to flow through the seam. Anyway, it seems pretty straightforward. The part number for this that I got off Amazon will be in the box. This seems to be a generic air filter. It's a PEC 9976. And it has different part numbers for Champ, Mighty, Wix, Napa, and OE. Interesting. There is instructions in this little box of filters, but as you can see here, they do not relate to this i3 at all. And I don't know. How often do you guys change your filters? Well, let me know in the comments. I would think you would have to change these maybe once a year, depending on how frequent you use your HVAC. I have a dog, so I'm going to be changing them more frequently. I don't think I'd go back to OEM though. But it's done. Maybe a half hour of time or less, depending on how contortionist you can be to get your body right here underneath here to unscrew those 2 bolts and to pull everything out with the passenger seat sitting right here, all like right here. So let me know in the comments what your guys' opinion is. It's getting dark on me. Oh, it is almost 7. So with that out of the way, I will see you folks in the next one.